The ClevrPlus Baby Carrier BP8001 is designed with a one-piece frame that ensures both sturdiness and hassle-free assembly, making it a reliable choice for parents on the go. It features a variety of spacious compartments, allowing you to conveniently store essentials such as bottles, diapers, and more, along with a removable mini backpack for added versatility. Weighing just 5.2 pounds, this carrier offers exceptional comfort for both the child and the adult, thanks to its padded straps, hip belt, and lumbar support. Equipped with a sun canopy and rain cover, it provides protection against various weather conditions, ensuring your child remains cool and dry during outdoor adventures. The adjustable seat grows with your child, accommodating ages 9 to 48 months and weights up to 33 pounds, offering long-lasting use. With its thoughtful design and features, the ClevrPlus Baby Carrier BP8001 is perfect for hiking and camping, ensuring both safety and comfort for your child.